In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save email as PDF in Yahoo Mail. Start by opening your web browser. In the address bar at the top, type yahoo.com and press enter. On the Yahoo homepage, look to the upper right corner for the sign in option and click it. If you see your Yahoo Mail account listed, select it. Otherwise, enter your Yahoo username and password to sign in. Follow any on-screen prompts such as verification and wait a moment while your account loads. Once you're signed in, you'll be back on the Yahoo page. In the upper right area, find the mail icon and click Mail to open your inbox. When Yahoo Mail loads, choose the email you want to save as a PDF and click to open it. Give the message a second to fully load, especially if it includes images or a long thread, so everything appears correctly in the final PDF. With the email open, look for the print option in the message toolbar. It's often shown as a small printer icon. Click Print. If you prefer, you can use your browser's print command instead, like Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on a Mac. Both take you to the same place. In the print dialog that appears, change the destination or printer to save as PDF. Before you proceed, quickly review the preview on the right. If the email is long, you can choose specific pages, adjust the layout between portrait and landscape, or tweak scale and margins to ensure everything fits neatly. If your browser offers an option to include background graphics, enabling it can preserve logos and colors from the email, though it's optional. When the preview looks good, click Save. Your computer will prompt you to pick a location. Browse to the folder where you want to keep the PDF, like Documents or a project folder. Give the file a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later, for example, include the sender and date, and avoid unusual symbols that some systems don't like. Then click Save Again to finalize. That's all you need to do. You now have a PDF copy of your email that you can share, archive, or print later. A quick tip: if you don't see a location prompt, your browser may automatically save to your default Downloads folder. Also, note that saving as PDF captures the email content, but it doesn't include attachments. If you need those, download them separately from the email before or after saving your PDF. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you save your Yahoo Mail message as a PDF with confidence.